going to make a banana blossom thoran, one of the most healthiest vegetarian dishes you can find. We take the heart of the banana blossom, peel the banana blossom. So each petal you open, and then you take the innermost heart, and then the heart is minced into fine bits and made a stir fry with fresh coconut. The tiny little bananas, the tip of the banana, the flowers, the petal, everything is minced together. It's one of the most nutritious vegetable preparation because it's high in fiber. This beautiful dish is wholesome. To make it wholesome, I've got some steamed mung beans. Here we have the banana blossom which has been minced, and we have the beautiful coconut, one in the unopened form and one which has been broken, and we have the coconut here which is going to be added to the stir fry. We have the shallots, we have the green chili, and then we have a beautiful herb, the curry leaf, and then we have the most beautiful spice, the turmeric powder, and then we have the mustard seed, again curry leaves, and then we have the dry red chili. Okay. So here the medicinal value comes from the turmeric powder. It's got lots and lots of anti-inflammatory values. It increases your immune system. So we have the urli warming up on a very low temperature, and urli was always a must in a home. It's a traditional old cookware in Kerala. Here goes in the beautiful coconut oil. You put one tiny sprig of onion. When the onion is sizzling, goes in the mustard. It pops. Can you hear it popping? And then goes in the dry chili, and immediately goes in the curry leaf, and then goes in the finely sliced shallots, then the green chili, and now we give it a beautiful stir. So if you noticed, we had reduced the temperature after we added the shallots and the green chili. When we add spices in powdered form, we need to lower the temperature, if not the beautiful essential oils of the spices are lost. So the beautiful turmeric, and now we add some salt. Traditionally Kerala cooking brine was used. So when the shallot slowly starts turning color, at that stage goes in a finely minced banana blossom. I can afford to increase the temperature because we have got the salt in it. The salt will help the banana blossom to sweat, so there is moisture. Till there is a moisture content, we should remember we should always keep the temperature low. The oil should not get overheated, the spices should not get burned. Now we have the cooked mung beans. We don't want to break up the mung beans, so I would say give it a gentle stir. Don't mash up the food, give it a gentle stir. So you get the bite of the beans, you get the bite of the banana blossom, and then goes in finally the freshly grated coconut. See the beautiful colors that's coming in. I'm giving it a very gentle stir. So the coconut, the grated coconut should look good. The mung bean should look good. You should get a bite of the banana blossom. If you like the fresh flavor of the curry leaf, a couple of fresh curry leaves also enhances the flavor. So this little technique we often use in Kerala, where we combine all the prepared dish together. One more beautiful curry leaf on top, and here's a beautiful banana blossom thoran ready to serve.